Alright, today on Two Sides to Everything, we're working on our 1959 Edsel Ranger. And today we're putting on a driver's side exhaust manifold, which we're already kind of into it. So I'm going to take it through what we have to do to get it on, get it running, and hear us sounds. Stay tuned. No! Holy crap, it works. Okay. Here's the manifold we have for our 59 Edsel. Only issue mainly is that, and these studs. This one's been cut. You can see that. So I have to cut that off and drill a hole through it. So I'm just gonna nut and bolt it. So here we go. Woo! Done. Okay, our next step is the drill out where the bolt used to be. I'm gonna start a little small and hopefully get a hole through the whole thing. No! Broke the drill bit. That was close. Oh, it still works. We're gonna keep using it. Oh! We're through! We're through! Woohoo! And you know what? Check that out. Broken drill bit, still finished the job. There's a hole right through it. Time for drill bit 2. So you want to go slow, so you see the little pieces come off like this. Are you ready? Those nice long bursts. Woohoo! Oh, it does. Okay, we got it drilled all the way through. Couple sizes big, not the whole size. It's a little off center. I'll show you. But I got a clear hole through, so I'm gonna take this to the hardware store, get some new hardware, and hopefully throw it on and have the car running here soon. Okay, well, we're heading to the hardware store to get a few bolts for the manifold. I'll bring you back when I get there. Show you what we're after. Alright. Okay, we made it to the hardware store. Let's see if we find our bolts we need. Okay. Made out of the hardware store. We're gonna head back home, throw them in. Okay, we're back home. Figured I'd wire wheel the manifold down, put some paint on it before we put it on the car, just cause. Yeah, pretty good. Well, I got a broken Walmart can of paint and a straw. So, you can imagine how this is gonna go. Is this gonna work? Holy crap, it works. Okay. This is a bad idea. Whoa. It's black now. Woohoo! That was a terrible idea. Okay. Well, get the manifold painted. I don't know if it's not curing, I don't care. We're gonna throw it on, it's getting cold, it's getting dark. Here's our engine bay. I'll get you in a little closer. Well, the goal is to have a more quiet exhaust when we're done here. Because this car, it's too cool to sound like that. It's got true dual exhaust, they didn't come on 59s, and it's got cherry bombs from like 20 years ago. So let's get this header on. I'll put you in a little bit, let you see some of it, then we'll get back with starting it. Bolt number. It's in the way. Oh, whoa, come back. There we go. Got a bite. Bolt number 3. All right, we got all our bolts mostly in the exhaust manifold. So I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna tighten all these up, get them snugged up, start the engine, and we'll see how she sounds. Okay. Okay, I managed to get it on. So now it's time to start it up. See how she sounds. Woo! Man, is the battery really dead? All right. Got the header on. Let's see what she sounds like. Come on. Let's keep it on. Okay. Alright. Not terrible. Not bad. Oh, we did it. She don't sound too bad. Probably a broken manifold on it. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of the 59 Edsel and me, subscribe. Thank you.